Hello student, here we will take the example of the how to calculate the area. See the question, find area between the curve y equal to x and y equal to x square. So we have to find the area for the Cartesian curve. So what is the result of this area? See a equal to double integral over r dx dy. So this is the result of area. So first we have to trace the curve by using this equation. So first equation is here y equal to x, second is here y equal to x square. So first we have to draw the curve. See, on x and y axis, this is x, this is y. So y equal to x, this is the equation of straight line, right? And y equal to x square. So we have to draw the curve here. Y equal to x square, right? So this curve is y equal to x square. This is the parabola, right? Because the see x square equal to y, so y is positive. So the curve it will open to the upward of x-axis, and the second y equal to x. So this is the equation of straight line. So what is the common region of these two curves? So this is the common region. So we have to find the area of this region. So how to find the area of this region? If we have to draw the horizontal strip, so we will take here limit point of x is in variable form, and suppose we will draw here vertical strip, so we will take here limit point of y is in variable form. Okay, so you can draw any strip and take the corresponding limit point. So here I will draw the horizontal strip, vertical strip. Okay, see, this is the starting point. So this point is lies on this curve. Strip is parallel to y-axis. So we have to find a limit point of y is in variable form. So here y equal to x square, and this equation is here y equal to x. So these are the limit point of y. But how to find a limit point of x? So we have to find this point of intersection. How to find a point of intersection? By using this equation. See, y equal to x and y equal to x square. Okay, so this y equal to x square, this value put in the first equation. So this can be written as x square equal to x. Okay, so after that this can be written as x square minus x equal to 0. That means x into x minus 1 equal to 0. So we get here either x is 0 or x equal to 1. Similarly, see, we can easily find a value of y. We have to put these two values in y equal to x. See, if x equal to 0, so what is y? So we get y is also 0. And put if x is 1 here, so what is y? So we get here y is 1. So you have to put x equal to 0, x equal to 1 in any one equation and find the corresponding value of y. Okay, there are 2 points are given. First is origin and second is a 1, 1. That means, see, this point is here 1, 1, and this point is your origin 0, 0. So what is the limit point for x? See, coordinate of x are 0 and 1. So these are the limit point of x. That means, see, in our example, what is the limit point of x? These are 0 to 1. And what is the limit point of y? These are x square to x. So after that we have to take this two limit point. So how to write this equation? See, a equal to integral x equal to 0 to 1 integral y equal to x square to x dx dy. See, the limit point of y is in variable form. So that's why first we have to integrating with respect to y. That means x equal to 0 to 1 integrating dy is y, and the limit point are x square to x. So here we have to put upper limit minus lower limit. That means x minus x square with respect to dx. And after that we can easily this integrating with respect to x. Right, so what is the integrating x? Is the x square by 2. Integrating x square, this is x cube by 3, and limit point 0 to 1. So if we have to put this limit point, so we get 1 half minus 1 by 3. And so what is the answer of this? 3 minus 2, 1 by 6. So this is the answer of this equation. That means just you have to remember in the Cartesian, suppose two equations are given Cartesian form, and if we have to find the area between this curve, so first you have to draw this curve, okay, and find a common region. After that we have to find the area of this region. So this region is a bounded region. So we have to find the area of this region. So here we have to draw either horizontal strip or either vertical strip. But you have to remember, if we have to draw the horizontal strip, so we will take the limit point of x is in variable form. And suppose if we have to draw the vertical strip, so we will take limit point of y is in variable form. Okay, so one limit point here is in variable form. So how to find a remaining limit point is in constant form? So we have to find a point of intersection by using these two equations. So here we have to get x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1. Okay, this curve. So what is the limit point for x? 0 to 1. So just we have to take this limit point, integrable integral dx dy, and integrating this, so we get the answer is here 1/6.